Hindi naniniwala na kaya ni Duterte pumatay ng tao. Ito po ang isang video na inaamin niya na pumatay siya ng tao.
I killed about 3 of them because there were 3 of them. I didn't really know how many bullets from my gun went through inside their bodies, but it happened. And I said I cannot lie about it.
At itong nakakagulat inamin din niya mismo na ginamit niya ang intelligence funds para pumatay ng tao.
Ang intelligence fund, binili ko, pinapatay ko lahat. Kaya ganun ang Davao. Yung mga kasama ninyo, pinatigok ko talaga. Yun ang totoo.
Kaya po dahil dito, magsasampa ng kaso si Party List Representative Franz Castro kay Duterte of grave threat. It is a criminal offense to threaten to kill somebody. And yes, pwede kang makulong.